Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bitbucket with Make.com for AI PR descriptions, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your Bitbucket account. Navigate to the repository where you want to connect Make.com. Click on the settings option in the left sidebar. Under the access management section, select app passwords. Create a new app password by clicking on create app password. Give your app password a descriptive label. Select the necessary permissions for your app password. Make sure to include permissions for repository, read and pull requests, read and write. Once you've configured the permissions, click Create. Now, head over to your Make.com account and log in. In the Make dashboard, select Create a new scenario. Click on the plus icon to add a new module. Search for and select the Bitbucket integration. Select the Watch Pull Requests trigger. Connect your Bitbucket account using the app password you created earlier. Paste the app password in the designated field. Authenticate your connection to Bitbucket. Select the specific repository you want to monitor from the drop-down menu. Set the parameters for how often Make.com should check for new pull requests. Now, add another module to your scenario by clicking on the plus icon again. Search for an AI integration that can generate descriptions, like OpenAI. Select the appropriate action for generating text. Fill in the required fields, including the template and parameters for the AI description. Map any relevant data from the Bitbucket module to the AI module. Now, add another module to send the generated description back to Bitbucket. Search for and select the Bitbucket integration again. Choose the Create Pull Request Comment action. Map the AI-generated description to the comment field in the new module. Double-check all your connections and parameters for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Run Once button to test your scenario. Review the results to ensure that the AI-generated descriptions are being created as expected. If successful, schedule your scenario to run automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.